Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game. 16 clues and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Where are we going to start today? Surround, bookend and flank all mean to go around something, and I suspect bracket might as well, but also skirt could. I think there are 5 that could logically go in that group, so we're going to have to come back to that. A badge and a sash are things you might give like a party person, the person celebrating a birthday, for example, or somebody out on their hen night or something. Not that I've got a lot of experience of hen nights, but I don't know what 2 other things would go in that group, even if that was the group. So we're going to have to come back to that as well. What is a sensible thing to try? What's going to go with beret? Green beret? Or do we just take it as an item of clothing and it goes with skirt and maybe sash? Not certain. Then Monty. What's going to go with Monty? It's either going to be Monty Python or Full Monty, isn't it? I'm not sure any of the others can go before Python, but I'm also not sure any of the others can go after Full. Full Study, Full Chuck. Chuck and Flank are both cuts of meat, aren't they? Maybe skirt is as well. But again, I don't know what the 4th one would be. Let's try these 4, because I'm thinking, oh no, but I was thinking that skirt could go with chuck and flank as a cut of meat, but if I'm putting flank in this group, then I might easily just put skirt in this group instead. I mean, I've got to just go for something at some point, haven't I? It is those 4, that's lucky. Right. Does that help, though? City. What's city got to do with anything? That's going to be another word one, isn't it? Sling. Singapore sling. Sling your hook. Put your arm in a sling. What about bingo? Got no idea how bingo links to any of the other words. Or study. Most of these words are sort of isolated in my head at the moment. I'm not sure I can even link 2 or 3 of them together. A pelt. Pelt means to throw things at something. I suppose so does sling and pitch. Chuck, obviously. Okay. They all mean to hurl. That was much easier than I made it look, I think. Right, what about the last 2 groups? This is where it might get even more difficult. A badge and a sash really feel like they're going to go together. A beret and a skirt, those are all the ones that you could wear. But then what on earth would link study, bingo, city and Monty? 3-card Monty? That's sort of a game that could go with bingo. I don't know how that's going to link to study and city, or indeed any of the others. I mean, Monty Python, Full Monty, Full Bingo, Full Study, Full City? None of those are phrases except the first one, are they? But I might have to just go for these 4, because they are just all things you can be decorated with, essentially. Or wear, to put it more simply. I'm not convinced, but they are correct. They're just parts of a classic Girl Scout uniform. Also, just like hen-dos, Girl Scouts are not my area of expertise. But luckily, I kind of worked out what was going on. So what links these 4? Hall. Monty Hall problem, yeah, study hall. Nobody calls it a study hall in this country. You just... okay. City hall and bingo hall, maybe. Okay. It doesn't matter. I put the correct 4 things together, and despite really struggling with that, I didn't actually make any mistakes, much to my surprise. So it is a perfect connections game. How did you get on with this one? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.